Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Honda CB300R. Beautiful condition, metallic red paint, 2,789 miles. Price to sell quickly for just $44.99. Come by, make your lightweight motorcycle dreams come true with this gorgeous CB300R. Really cool styling, super easy to handle, 6-speed transmission, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Financing and extended service contracts are available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.